Altaf, today our topic is really interesting and slightly scary for some people. Artificial intelligence. Many say it is dangerous, while others say it is a blessing. What do you think?
Honestly, Annie, I think AI can be dangerous if we are careless. It is powerful, fast, and capable of replacing many human tasks. Power without control can always become risky.
I agree it is powerful, but danger depends on how humans use it. A knife can be used to cook or to hurt. AI is the same. It is a tool, not a monster.
True, but unlike a knife, AI can think, learn, and improve itself. That is what worries many experts. If machines start making decisions without human values, problems can arise.
But machines do not have emotions or desires. They only follow instructions. Humans still write the code, set goals, and control boundaries.
For now, yes. But what about advanced systems? Some AI already writes content, generates images, drives cars, and answers questions better than humans. What if control becomes weak?
I believe fear mostly comes from movies and science fiction. Real AI systems are narrow. They are designed for specific tasks like translation, recommendation, or data analysis.
Still, even narrow AI can cause harm. For example, job loss is a major issue. Automation replaces factory workers, drivers, writers, and even teachers.
Job loss is real, but job creation also happens. New roles appear like AI trainer, data analyst, prompt engineer, system supervisor, and ethics consultant.
But not everyone can shift easily. A truck driver cannot suddenly become an AI engineer. Society may face inequality, stress, and unemployment.
That is why governments and institutions must plan ahead. Education systems should focus on skills like creativity, communication, critical thinking, and adaptability.
Another serious danger is misinformation. AI can create fake videos, fake voices, fake news, and fake identities. It becomes hard to tell what is real and what is not.
I completely agree here. Deepfakes are dangerous. They can damage reputations, manipulate elections, spread panic, and destroy trust.
Exactly. Imagine fake speeches of leaders or fake evidence in court. That can change lives and even start conflicts.
But technology to detect fake content is also improving. AI is being used to fight AI misuse. It is like fire fighting fire.
There is also the privacy issue. AI collects massive data, our voices, faces, habits, searches, and locations. Sometimes users do not even realize it.
Privacy concerns are serious, but again, regulation matters. Companies should be transparent, data should be protected, and users should have control.
What about bias? AI systems learn from data, and data often contains human bias. That leads to unfair decisions in hiring, policing, banking, and healthcare.
Bias is not created by AI. It is reflected from society. The solution is diverse data, regular audits, ethical training, and human oversight.
But people trust machines blindly. If an AI denies a loan or rejects a job application, many will not question it.
That is where awareness comes in. Humans should treat AI as an assistant, not a judge or final authority.
Let us talk about military use. Autonomous weapons powered by AI can decide when to attack. That is extremely dangerous.
I agree. AI weapons are a red line. International laws and treaties must restrict or ban fully autonomous killing systems.
Once such weapons exist, they can be misused by terrorists or rogue states. That could increase violence at an unimaginable scale.
Yes, military AI is one of the most serious concerns. Responsible use is critical. Otherwise, consequences can be irreversible.
Another fear is dependency. Humans are becoming lazy thinkers. We rely on AI for answers, writing, navigation, decision making, even creativity.
Technology has always changed human behavior. Calculators reduced mental math, maps reduced memory, but humans adapted.
Still, critical thinking may decline. If AI does all thinking, humans may lose problem solving skills.
Or humans may focus on higher level thinking. Instead of doing repetitive tasks, they can work on ideas, innovation, and strategy.
Some experts fear superintelligence and AI smarter than humans in all areas. If such AI has different goals, humanity could be at risk.
That is a long-term concern. Right now, we are far from true general intelligence. Speculating too much may distract us from real present issues.
But ignoring future risk is also dangerous. Prevention is better than cure.
I agree. Research on safety, alignment, and ethics should continue along with development.
Let us be honest, companies race for profit. Safety sometimes comes second.
That is why regulation is necessary. Governments, researchers, and society must work together.
Another danger is education misuse. Students use AI to cheat, avoid learning, and copy answers.
Yes, but teachers can redesign assessments. Focus on understanding, discussion, projects, presentations, and real-life problem solving.
You sound very optimistic, Annie.
I am realistic. AI has risks, but fear alone cannot stop progress. Humans must learn to manage it responsibly.
Let me list main dangers quickly: job loss, misinformation, privacy invasion, bias, weaponization, dependency, and loss of control.
And let me list benefits in one line: efficiency, innovation, healthcare improvement, education support, accessibility, creativity assistance, and economic growth.
So the real question is not whether AI is dangerous, but whether humans are responsible enough.
Exactly. AI reflects human choices. If humans choose greed and power, AI becomes dangerous. If humans choose wisdom and ethics, AI becomes helpful.
That is a powerful thought. Blaming AI alone is easy, taking responsibility is harder.
We should teach people how AI works, its limits, risks, and possibilities. Fear comes from ignorance.
I think balance is the key word. Neither blind trust nor blind fear.
Yes, cautious optimism makes sense.
Before we end, do you personally fear AI?
No, I respect it. I fear misuse, not the technology itself.
I feel the same. AI is like a fast car, exciting and useful, but dangerous without brakes and rules.
Well said. Humans must design the brakes.
So, to our listeners, stay informed, stay critical, and stay human.